Oh my gosh, this is a neighborhood. Yeah?
Yeah.
This is my first time to be in a neighborhood. All Emiratis.
It's 2 Pakistani.
2?
Yes. Yes. T-shirt, trouser and T-shirt. Yes, Pakistani.
Wow. Okay, is that just like that's a family's house?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's gonna be nice.
Construction.
Yeah. That's gonna be really nice.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
It's a big one.
2 homes, does that mean 2 wives?
Yes, 2 wives.
2 wives. Okay, Al Hail Fort and Square. And this is the old Sheikh's house?
Yes.
Means the Sheikh's old house.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? We're gonna go in this?
Yes.
We need a Jeep. We need a new car.
Yeah, little order.
Yeah.
It's tourist. This one.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
How do you know?
Let's go to Sheikh Palace.
Did you come here before with a customer?
No, me no. Yeah, this one Jeep. First one.
Okay, I think I'm ready. I'm secure, kind of. Okay, okay. Awesome! Okay, there's a sign that says possible falling rocks, and by the looks of things, I believe it. Think I should get back in the car? Nah. Not exactly what I thought we might see. Speak English?
English?
Yeah? A little?
Little.
Okay. You work here?
Yeah, work here.
What's your job?
This the Al Hal Castle Port for job for all everything for clean
Uh-huh.
or this man guide
Yeah?
everything.
Oh, you're a guide?
Yeah.
How old is the castle?
150 years old.
150? No, more.
No,
150.
50 years old.
Okay. Where do you live?
This president Fajira
You?
Singh.
Where?
For that one.
That's your house?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Where are you from?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay.
This India.
India. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. This one has. Same one tree, this one has.
Yeah. What is that, a farm?
Date.
Dates. It's a date farm. Okay, that makes sense. All right.
Sorry.
نحن في وسط اليمن.
Aywa. This for driver, this for dead house, cemetery, this area, 20 people in the location.
Only men?
All men, women, also everything people.
Okay, so that's the cemetery.
There, down.
Uh-huh.
This area, big area.
Still now today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This tower, meeting place.
Okay.
ليش انت في سرعة؟ شاشة